Hello class, welcome back to our second session. And for our second session, like teacher said earlier, we are going to continue our lesson from first session. Now, let's continue our lesson on page 53. So open your book, activity book everyone, on page 53. So this is our second activity. So this is our second activity. You are going to listen, write, and color. So you need your pencil, you need your colors. What we are going to do is listen to the audio track that teacher will give it to you. Then write these letters and color the pictures. Okay, everyone? Make sure that you write the letter K properly. Don't worry, teacher will show you the way how you write the letter K properly. Okay, everyone? But first, you need to listen to our audio track and follow the instructions. Are you ready? All right, let's start.
Page 53. Listen, write, and color.
This is the letter K. It sounds like K. Let's say it together.
K.
K.
K. K.
Great job! Now write the big letter K. Good! Next, write the small letter K. Excellent! Now, color the letters.
Alright everyone, so now that you answer your activity book already, make sure that you finish that one and take a photo, everyone. Send back your answers to teacher's personal telegram. Now, let's watch this short video on how you are going to write letter K properly. Okay, everyone?
Karate. Kick.
Okay, there you have it, everyone, that you know how to write capital K or big letter K and small letter K. Now, let's proceed to our practice, everyone. Our practice is Meet the Candy King. This is our first activity or first practice. Count and add up the items on page 114 for our course book. For our second practice, add the items, stick the stickers, and match. This is on page 54 for activity book. Now, take out your course book, everyone, and let's do our first practice. So this is our practice, everyone. Meet the Candy King on page 114. Now, in here we have watches. So can you count how many watches in here? So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, correct? And this is, what sign is this? Plus sign. So plus. Another watches, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have 4 watches. What sign is this? Equals. Now let's count all together because we add up all the items. 1, 2, 3, 4 plus 1, 2, 3, 4. Another 4 is equals. Let's count all of this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many watches? Very good. 8. Now you need to trace this letter and color these pictures. Okay, everyone? Now, for these pictures, what pictures is this? Correct. Button. Correct. Button. Now, let's count the first number or first picture. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, we have 5 buttons in here. Plus, let's count another items. 1, 2, 3, 4. So, 4 items more is equals to how many buttons that we have now? Let's count all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Very good. So we have 9 buttons. So don't forget to write the number and color the pictures. Okay, next for our last pictures, we have first item. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 plus second items 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Another 5 is equals to, now it's your turn to draw the pictures in here. How many all of these? Draw the total in here and write down the number. Make sure to color all those items. Okay, everyone? So that is our first practice. Now, open your book on page 54, activity book, for our second practice. So for our second practice, everyone, it's not so far from our first practice. It's almost the same. So this is our second practice. Add all the items. Stick. Where can you find the stickers? Correct. At the back of your book. So here is our stickers. Don't forget to stick them all, okay? And follow the instructions carefully. So these are the stickers. Okay, so these are the stickers. Don't forget to check the units, okay, and the pages. Unit 9, the candy factory. So we have these stickers. You need to take out these stickers and what? Correct. You need to stick all of them into, you need to stick all of those stickers to this picture. Make sure that you stick those stickers to the correct pictures. Okay, everyone? After you stick those stickers, you are going to match them to the items. Okay, everyone? So, let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 plus 1, 2, 3, 4. Another 4 is equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this one is 8 jackets. So you are going to match this one to the stickers and write down your answer. So can you finish this second practice, everyone? Finish this second pictures and the last pictures. Okay, everyone? So that is our lesson for today. So we talk about, first lesson is get the candy. The second lesson is go to the king. So we go to the king, right? And we know how to write the letters, big letter K and small letter K properly. Very good. For our third lesson is coming from practice, meet the king. What we do is count, add, stick, right? Numbers 8 and 9. So don't forget our lesson for today. Also, do not forget to finish your classwork and also your homework. Then send back your answers to your teacher's personal telegram. I'll see you again tomorrow, everyone. Goodbye.